Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mirror the screen of your Redmi Note 15 Pro to your TV even without Wi-Fi. To simply cast your device's screen, you're gonna have to open Settings, then in Settings navigate down to More Connectivity Options. Now, so here you have to select Cast, but before we select Cast, for better connectivity, let's enable Wireless Display feature. This will make sure this will basically improve the connectivity for some older TVs. And after that, let's go to Cast, then enable Cast by switching the toggle to the right. Before you do that, you're gonna have to make sure that both your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then once you switch the toggle to the right, your smartphone will start searching for a device in the same Wi-Fi network. You're gonna have to select your TV from the list and connect to it. And if your smartphone cannot find your TV, make sure that the cast or mirror cast feature is enabled on your TV too. Now, if you want to connect without a Wi-Fi, if you want to cast your device screen without a Wi-Fi, what you're gonna have to do, unfortunately, is use an adapter like this one. This one supports USB Type-C connection, so this USB Type-C cable goes into your smartphone, and on the other side we have many different cables, but the only one that we're gonna need, maybe two that we're gonna need, are HDMI port and also another USB Type-C that we can use to connect our smartphone to the power source. But it's not necessary, so we're only gonna need to use the HDMI or maybe a DisplayPort. Yeah, if your TV supports DisplayPort, you may not even need to use an adapter. Just use a DisplayPort to USB Type-C cable and connect your smartphone to your TV. So in this case, we would need to insert the one side of the HDMI cable into this adapter and the other one into the TV. This way the TV will recognize your device, your smartphone, as an external device, and once it does, you'll be able to switch to your smartphone screen and start casting it. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.